In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Mailchimp email campaigns and why it's so important. Whether you're new to email marketing or a seasoned pro, testing your campaigns can significantly impact your success rates and engagement levels. So let's dive right in. To begin, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to your campaigns. You'll find this under the Campaigns tab, then select All Campaigns from the drop-down menu. From here, you have the option to click on an existing email campaign draft or start fresh by creating a new one. Ensure that all your content, images, and links are finalized before moving on to testing, because this is the version that your recipients will ultimately see. Next, let's use Mailchimp's preview mode. This feature allows you to view your email from the perspective of your recipients. In the email builder, click Preview, and then select Enter Preview Mode. Here, you can toggle between desktop view and mobile view. Pay close attention to alignment, spacing, font size, and ensure that buttons and images are displayed correctly. If you utilize personalization fields like first names, consider enabling Enable Live Merge Tag Info to confirm they appear as expected. Following preview mode, you should send a test email to yourself or your team. In the email builder, locate and click on Send a Test Email. Enter your email address and any other relevant addresses you want feedback from and click Send Test. It's important to review this test email across multiple devices, including desktops, phones, and tablets. As you open these emails, scrutinize the subject line to ensure it isn't cut off, verify image quality, check the accuracy of all links, and consider the overall length and readability of your email. A tip here is to use a variety of email clients like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo to get an accurate representation of different viewing experiences. For those on a paid Mailchimp plan, the inbox preview feature is a valuable tool. It allows your campaign to be displayed across more than 40 email clients, ensuring consistency in how your content appears. To access this, go to Preview, then select Inbox Preview, and click Start Testing. You'll be able to see how your subject line, sender name, and content look in different inboxes, making it easier to catch any pesky alignment or image issues before you launch the full campaign. Let's not forget about our links and buttons. In the editor, use the Preview, then Link Checker option. This feature scans your email automatically for any broken or missing links. This is particularly crucial because broken links can severely impact your campaign's performance. Always double check. If you're looking to optimize even further, consider running an A/B test. Navigate to Campaigns, then Create, and select A/B Test Campaign. This allows you to test different